guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika. So you guys know I'm always doing a project around my house. So this project is going to be my junk drawer. Like, I have a junk drawer, and then I have a drawer that has like all of our larger spoons, utensils and stuff, and I don't like them sitting on the counter, so I put them in a drawer. But I realized that this drawer has no organization to it, so I went to Home Goods today, found a couple of things that were like under $10, just some quick, easy, simple organizational tools. Plus, back here, you guys see my Keurig is back here, and I tried to make it like a little coffee area, but I just really found that I really like my countertops to have little to nothing as possible, because the twins are getting older, they climb in. But I would like that carousel to come down and put it in a drawer. So I have a drawer back here that I really don't use, and then I have this little junk drawer. I call it a junk drawer, but it's really a utensils drawer. So I am going to get that organized. We have been organizing and utilizing stuff, and as also I did also finally find some containers that could fit my pasta in it, which is good, so that I'll eliminate some boxes. So I will do a haul to show you guys what I bought, and then I hope you guys can see me. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start getting these drawers organized. Excuse the no makeup. This is pretty much how I look when I am off. Shirt I got at Old Navy. It says doing my thing. Shout out to Old Navy. They were like maybe like $10 for this. Excuse the noise in the back. Bubble guppies is on, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So you guys know this is the bag that I came in the house with, but I did pick up some stuff from Home Goods. Cool thing about Home Goods is if it doesn't work, I can always return it. This is a large utensil holder. This one was priced at $6.99, and that's what that is. So we're gonna try this one out first. Then I also bought some more organizers because I just wanted to see what will work. Hi, Lundy. Yes, I'm organizing. This one, it says junk drawer organizer. This one was also $6.99, and this is what it looks like. So I figured this one would be good. I really want to try this one first, but I feel like this one will work better for my Keurig stuff. I see London in the background. London, say hi. This one is just another utensils tray. Mommy. Yes. Look, crackers. No, you can have crackers. Brother has crackers. This one is a utensil tray. I think the Keurigs may fit. The K-Cups will fit in this one. This one is this one was $5.99. Some other things that I found. I really like these good grips from Home Goods. This one was $12.99, but it's tall enough to fit the spaghetti in and any lasagna, and I like that it has the little pop top. So I'm gonna clean these before I put these in here. Also, I did buy this one because it's a little bit taller, but I can put lasagna shells in here. This one is also the good grip. I like the good grips because they're sealable. I have a few of these. I think most of my organization collection has these. This one was $9.99. And I always wash these because literally I was in Home Goods and some Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray for $7.99. I use this to spray on my hair and it doesn't flake or dry my hair out, and I take it to work supplies. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh. Oh yeah, this has some stuff. I bought this for a co-worker. Just some Kate Spade glasses. Just 2 little gold dot green drinking glasses, and this was on sale clearance for $5. So by this, I don't even know if she watches my videos, but by the time that was a birthday gift, so I'm gonna add to that. Something new I wanted to try out because I love coffee. I get 1 cup of coffee a day. That's all I do, and then I have tea at night and water in between. So something that I was seeing Raven and Lise talk about is the Starbucks natural flavor caramel syrups. So these were $3.99. So I got 2 vanillas and 1 caramel. I feel like if I do coffee with black coffee with just sugar, I can add the flavor in here when I want it. So and these have the pop top. So I love vanilla. So for $3.99, and they're regular price only $5, so $1 off. So I got 3 of those. And then last but not least, I am such, oh my god, when we move, we gonna need a drawer just for my mugs. My drawer, I finally got a Ray Dunn cup, and this one I really did like because it was super big. It was $5.99, and it just says tea on it, because at night, that's like the one thing I do when I get home, is come home and actually make myself a cup of tea. So yeah, that's pretty much what I bought from Home Goods. Now I'm gonna go ahead and reposition you guys, and we can go ahead and get started with this drawer. It shouldn't take me that long to do it, right, Lundy?
Yes.
Yeah, London down here. Ooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this stuff up, come back to you guys and show you guys what the drawer looks like. All right guys, so here is this drawer. No organization to it, nothing to it. Don't know what I'm gonna do with. We're gonna organize that one. These are the K cups. Excuse the plums up here, but these are the K cups. This carousel is cool, but there's something about this area I'm not sure what I want to do. I think I may even move my microwave over here. I'm not sure yet for safety reasons. And then this is another drawer that just so what I started to do was actually put these in here because we really don't use these. And then this is typically snacks that the twins can come in here and pick up. And it's just the island. I got this at Big Lots for about $70, and it has wheels on it. So snacks are in there, microwave's right here. Alright you guys, so come to find out, my cabinets are not as tall to fit these containers. So I just stuck them right up here on top of the microwave, no, on top of this other cabinet. They don't even fit in my pantry, so sizing is always good. But I do like them up there like that because it just, they're up there. They'll be used. That's pasta that I usually use all the time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this first drawer. And this drawer, I'm gonna put everything out up here on this counter, sort it out, organize it, and then we're gonna try this one first. So let's see. Kids are in the background playing. So hubby's in the background. London's all in the drawer. Here is what the drawer looks like. So I put everything up here just to organize. These are like my baking utensils. So what I'm gonna do is actually put these in the bowl underneath the cabinet so I know where these are when I go looking for them. But this actually did work. I did wipe out the drawer, and then I put this little liner. You can get these at Dollar Tree. And then this little sleeve, this is the larger one. It's $6.99, so I went on and put like like-minded items. So my spoons, my spatulas, these are some Rubbermaid silicones. I got these at Home Goods. And then of course I got my can opener. These are like everyday things that we use. These are popper toppers my husband likes because I don't finish sodas all the time, but you could put these on and it still saves the carbon on the sodas. some stencils from Mickey Mouse. You can get these on Amazon, and then some bottle and wine openers. So when I do have my wine. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get started on the other video. On the other, not the other video. Let's go ahead and get started on the other drawer. Alright, you guys, so I'm actually proud of myself. Hubby thinks it's like, he feels like it wasn't taking up a lot of space, but it does make sense. That organizer I showed you guys, I got it off Amazon. It's to hold teas and stuff. So it holds your tea bags and stuff, but we were constantly like taking it out. And because we use a lot of this stuff on a daily basis, it just works better for me. I think it's just gonna be easier and simplified. You can open the drawer, so it's kind of like our own little coffee tea area. So I'm gonna show you guys what the drawer is. Alright, you guys, so here's the final drawer. This is coffees and teas. These are all my sleepy time teas. So I use the bedtime, and I also use back here, let's see. Oh, this is the stress lavender relief. Okay, you guys, so this is the honey lavender stress relief from Yogi. And then, let's see, this is my bedtime tea. And then I also have, this one is a new one. This is the soothing caramel bedtime. So these are teas that I normally drink at night. When I come in, I turn on the Keurig, and then I'll just pop one of these in. These are just coffees that I have been drinking. I purchased a lot of my K-Cups off Amazon. Verbena blend is just a regular. This is a green tea I'm trying to finish. Dunkin' Donut pumpkin spice. I finally got in the pumpkin spice kick. This is a regular Dunkin' Donut French vanilla that I use. And then the toasted graham I love, love, love. I purchased my K-Cups off Amazon, or I'll get them at Walmart. Toasted graham, I was able to get a steal, and the Dunkin' Donut. You can get these on Amazon. I'll post a link down below because you can save money on like a couple of boxes if that's all you're going to use. The twins, we make like a gripe water for them that does help with their digestive and everything. So the blend that we use, we don't use green tea, but we do like the green tea for ourselves. So the blend that we use is the peppermint tea, which is just the Walmart brand. And then I use the Yogi's ginger tea along with, and I'll show you guys. This is the Celestial seasonal herbal chamomile tea. So you basically will mix the chamomile with the peppermint and the ginger, and it does help so much with their digestive and just their eating and everything. You can mix it with juice. I just add a little bit of honey in the water, and you boil it, and we just call it their gripe water, which their doctor recommended when they had to be about 3 months old. So since then we've been using it, and it just works. But that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this was an impromptu. Now your girl has to go record some more videos. So if you see this look with some makeup on, don't forget to watch those videos. Also, let me know what you guys think, because I do so many projects around this house. That was an easy hour-and-a-half tops that got me started, plus with the twins running around. Other than that, I will talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.